Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. What I like about my job is being so cool and so amazing that it gets me places which amazes me every single time. And this week, I will be amazing you with an amazing house tour. This one is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom house with 2 living rooms, and it's listed for $4.2 million. It has commanding views of the city of Bodrum and the castle of Bodrum itself. Another week, another property tour. Welcome, and let's go. Now with this property tour, amazing views is my go-to 2 words. Whichever way you slice it, you got great views. What can I do? Now before going inside the house, I want to talk about these stones that are used in the exterior of the house. This is called diabase stone. And here's the thing. In Bodrum, you have building regulations, and according to these building regulations, you can build the exterior of your house 2 ways. Way number 1 is basically you just paint it to white. Way number 2 is using a beautiful natural stone like this. So the builders of this house have used this greenish diabase stone, which is actually a volcanic rock, by the way, and in my opinion makes the house look very, very good, very solid in fact. Well, before moving into the specs of the house, I just want to show you this. This is a living room. It's a 40 square living room with a minimalist design, but look at this. Normally, in living rooms, people would design these furnitures in such a way that you would sit down comfortably with your friends and watch TV. But once you have a view like that, you really don't need a TV, so they didn't put any TV here. Here's the thing. Bodrum is a very, very hot place. I mean, we didn't turn on the ACs inside, and right now it's about 34, 35 degrees, and I am sweating. But in a house like this, you really don't need ACs, and I'm gonna show you why. Look at this. Hello! This beautiful breeze of Mediterranean and the Aegean is gonna make you live another 100 years, trust me. Look over there, you're gonna see the castle of Bodrum and the city of Bodrum itself with an amazing commanding view. This is only the living room. Now let's continue, and I wanna take your attention to the flooring. The marbles that are used here are called Bodrum beige marbles, and it's coming from a small town from inner Anatolia, and the choice of color here is matching with the color of the walls, making the rooms more airy. And right here we have a small terrace with a sitting area, and this is where you sit and where you sip. And right over there you have a beautiful view of the windmills, and we're in Bodrum. Windmills are basically the landmarks of the area, so having that view granted is a big tick right here. And let's continue. From the terrace we're going to the kitchen, and when you look at this kitchen you're gonna see a rather contemporary design. I mean, all the materials used here are top class. Right here we have this beautiful table. This is volcanic rock, by the way. And one good thing about this kitchen is basically imagine waking up and having your breakfast with this view. I mean, such an amazing place. Teak has been used on the floorings of the terraces. And again, beautiful view of the port and the sea. Now before going down, I want to show you one thing here. Come, look at this glass panel. You open it up and you have an entrance to the back garden. Seriously, I have been right in front of there doing the terraces and whatnot, and this, look, having a sun is a beautiful thing, I get it, and having a beautiful, magnificent view is a plus. But sometimes you get hot, you get tired, and you know, you just need to feel a little bit of a place where you can, you know, rest in the beautiful shade. And this one is a quite airy, quite spacious terrace in the backside of the house with amazing views again. Now, this is another living room. And right here, you have a beautiful table. Again, amazing view, but come, I want you to see this. One thing about these floor to ceiling windows is I don't know how to open them. Yeah, just like that. It's giving me a hard time. Anyway, but look at this. I mean, I am speechless. This is a huge terrace with an amazing view. And I'm gonna show you this beautiful pool, Infinity Edge pool. Now, here's the thing, come down. The thing about pools is that when you're in there, with your head level, you have to see the sea. But this one, you can't see it from this angle, but if you turn to this angle, yes, that makes it an infinity pool. Obviously, in this house, details matter. Yes, on the floors, you have beautiful compressed wood. All around the house, you have different sorts of marbles. I get it, this is a $4.2 million house. You wouldn't expect less. But, come, I want to show you this. This is why you pay all this money. Come on, hello, look at this. I mean, come on. Are you still filming? Yeah. This is just beautiful. I mean, imagine sleeping in a bed like that. I mean, the bed isn't special at all, but what is special is when you wake up to this amazing view that is right over there and right over here. It's just, you know, this is the bedroom of my dreams. Wow. Now again, before moving to downstairs, I want to show you where this door leads. To the private garage of yours. Hello! This is big enough for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars, but you have that one car, just like my car right over there. I mean, you know, having a house like that and a car like this, you know, this is what I'm talking about. Obviously, this one is my car. You thought that I was that rich? Not yet, not yet. Now, after the garage, we're going downstairs. Again, I'm descending through this beautiful Bodrum beige marble staircase, and right here, this is the basement floor. And to my left side, you have a laundry room and a maid's room. The sizes are quite decent. And when you come over here, to my right side, you have a huge bedroom with an ensuite bathroom inside. Now, the money punch of the basement floor is right in front of us. Okay, take a look at this beautiful bedroom. Again, outstanding views. And a private garden. Hello, that's what I'm talking about. This one has a view of the Black Island right over there. Let's continue. Right here, remember how I told every bathroom is different? This one is my favorite. Come inside. Look at this. Hello, this is what I'm talking about. Look at the marble here. This one is an Italian marble. The marble blocks have been brought from Italy as a whole and installed right here. And when you look at the craftsmanship on the floor, you see the perfection. And in a house like this, perfection is very, very important.
Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday.
Going into this amazing terrace. Again, teak is used here, but look at this. This is huge. This is humongous. This house is amazing. And there's actually one more thing which makes this house special, okay? In this program, what I'm trying to do is not to give you houses that are just beautiful or amazing, but special as well. This one, come here, look. if you're buying a house like that, this means that you are a high net worth individual. This means that you know how to manage money. And time is money, so you know how to manage your time. Somebody like you wouldn't want to spend the time in traffic. And being a beautiful town that it is, Bodrum has quite a bit of traffic, yeah? So what would you do to beat that traffic? Well, one option is that you have a private access to this port right here, which you can moor your yacht. Yes, very beautiful. But if that is not enough, come here. You have a helipad right there. Hello, that's what I'm talking about. Now the company has sent us an aircraft. We're gonna give you a Bodrum tour with this aircraft. Come on. What is this? What's happening? Fresh out of helis. What the hell? Come on, get up and give us a Bodrum tour. I'm a big fan of technology. I would very much like to land a helicopter here, but it's not because it's too expensive. I mean, don't get me wrong. You know, for you guys, I can do anything. I can land down a Zeppelin, for that matter. But I really like technology, so you guys need to see these beautiful sunset shots that we took. Let's go! Now, let's talk about why would you want to buy this house. $4.2 million that you're paying to this triplex. 570 meters squares, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 living rooms of a beautiful villa with an infinity pool and amazing terraces. I would buy this place simply because of the location and simply because of the view. Yes, the interior design is okay. Yes, the terraces are magnificent. Yes, the exterior design, the stones that are used, are all good. If there's one thing you cannot change about a property, that is location. Anything else you can change it. You can change the exterior of the house, interior of the house, the terraces. You cannot obviously add square footage to this house. But that one thing you cannot change is the location. And this location is creme de la creme. So I would buy this property and I would probably use it for a month because I wouldn't have time. And for the remaining 2 months, I would rent this place out and make money that way. That's my advice to you.